To format Google Pixel 8, we're going to do a key combination. So pause the video, get your phone ready, and I'm going to begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down until I release them. This will be around 10 seconds or so. So in a couple of seconds time, here we go. Release power and volume up. Now press and hold power and volume down and keep these two held down until you see the fast boot mode. I will cut this as it does take around 20 seconds holding these two buttons. So once you see fast boot mode, release from the buttons. Now click volume up until this says recovery mode and click the power button to select. We will now see no command. So the command we need to give is while holding the power button, click and release volume up. Now click volume down and keep on clicking until you see wipe data / factory reset and click the power button to select. Now click volume down and click the power button to factory data reset and format the phone storage to when it was new. When you do this, you'll be brought to the home page and click the power button to reboot the system.